The country's migrant workers have received government's full support and timely response to their needs and urgent predicament without fail. The latest repatriated batch of distressed OFWs from a Middle East region in conflict is testament to government's holistic approach and prompt response to their calls for help. As we hear more from our Elijah Canlas.
Nearly 200 Filipinos from Kuwait have safely returned to the country through the whole-of-government repatriation efforts. Aboard Flight 5J31, our countrymen who experienced conflict in the Middle East landed at Naiya Terminal 3. From this total, 154 are overseas Filipino workers. Also safely returning are an infant, a senior citizen, and a pregnant woman. They were met by personnel from the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA to be brought to the Philippine Trade Training Center, which serves as the holding area for repatriated individuals. The agency provided them with food assistance and special financial assistance as part of post-repatriation support upon their return to the country. During their transit from Kuwait to Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Philippine Embassy immediately provided appropriate assistance to ensure a smooth journey. This operation was made possible through the Emergency Repatriation Fund and close coordination with the Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA and the Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. The OFWs returning to the provinces were also placed in temporary accommodation while their domestic flight tickets were being arranged. Our countrymen expressed their gratitude for the safe process of their return to the Philippines.
Medyo nakakatuwa po at saka po talagang thankful po ko sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin, OWA, DMW po, sa simulat sa pula, sa lahat ng taong tumulong sa amin, maraming salamat po. Salamat din po sa cash assistance na binigay nyo, malaking tulong din po.
Meanwhile, several OFWs also shared their experiences regarding the tension and the quick action of the embassy overseas.
Kampante and very happy po na nandito na po sa Pinas. Documents, very smooth. The OWA and DMW helped us a lot there in embassy in Kuwait po, and Saudi. A week ago, bago kami umuwi, may pagsabog pa rin, may alarms pa rin na nangyayari. And then mga 2 days before kami umuwi, parang naging kalmado na rin po.
The government emphasized that nearly 11,000 OFWs and their families have been safely brought home since the conflict in the region began.
From then until now, halos 11,000 na ang nauwi ng ating mga kababayan. 6,060 ay galing sa OWA na repatriation fund natin, no, yung Emergency Repatriation Fund. Ang assistance na binibigay natin, aside from sinagot natin yung ticket to Manila, pati yung ticket sa probinsya, hotel accommodation doon at dito, of course the meals at syempre financial assistance, no, para sa ating mga kababayan mula sa OWA.
The department remains hopeful for reports leading to the escalation and possible peaceful resolution to the conflict in the region. Elijah Canlas for The Nation.